Hey Java Nuts, it's coffee time. Today's review will be about the Bialetti 3-cup Mocha Cafe Mocha Pot in red. For those who follow my channel know that I already have this vintage Mocha Pot, but I found this one on sale at my local grocery store for a little under $10. So I picked it up and I wanted to run a review and a comparison between this one, which I don't know how it will work, and this one, which works awesome. The first thing I want to do is open it up. It's a very simple pull tab. It does have printed inside the parts of the Mocha Pot and a quick how-to instruction, but you don't need that because you've already seen my video. So first look, this is very shiny, very clean, and as you know from my previous video, I very much like the rounded Mocha Pots because they are easier to clean. Most of the Bialettis carry this shape throughout. The tops are mostly similar, with of course this one being a 3-cup, so it's a little smaller. This is a 4-cup. Inside, this one has a little dip inside, which does make it a little more difficult to clean, but it does make a much more bold cup. This one is flat on the inside, which I think would be a lot easier to clean. We'll find out. Below, they both have the same type of filtration system, with a gasket here, and the little filter here. Same thing here, and a little filter. The bottom piece is a little different. This one does come with the top filter and the coffee house, while this one only comes with the coffee house. And first look, this coffee house seems to be a very cheap aluminum, while this is actually stainless. The weights of these two, empty, are comparable for their sizes. So I think these two are very similar in quality. So the first thing you want to do every time you get a new Mocha Pot is to wash it really, really well with soap and warm water. So go ahead and do that if you haven't done so already. After you have it washed, put it back together. Before brewing your first cup, make sure you run vinegar and water through it first, through the boiler, to truly clean the parts you can't actually get into. And this process may stink up your house, so open a window. Now that the vinegar is brewed and your house is appropriately stinky, turn it off and pour it out. Make sure you allow this to cool down before opening this up. Both the base and the pot will be extremely hot. Now fill it up again with just water and run it again just with water. And once again, take it off the burner, cool it down, and empty it. I tried a couple more times off screen to do just with water. The first thing I noticed when I ran it through the first time was an extreme chemical smell coming out both from the pot and from the base after I removed the pot from the base. I ran it a couple more times with just water off camera and the smell is not going away. Due to the persistent chemical odor of this product, the Bialetti Mocha Cafe 3-cup Mocha Pot is not one that I can recommend, and it pains me because it looks like such a nice product. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are sure to benefit. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below. I read all of my comments and look forward to reading what you have to say about this or any other Mocha Pot product. Just because one product failed doesn't mean the other will. So keep trying because Mocha Pots are awesome.